when you say ambassador, is the representations of embodiment of probably a country or the organization. So, kumbaga, siya yung pag sinabi na, yung may character na kapag sinabing ganito yung organization, siya yung representation nun. So, as a Christian, tayo rin nagiging ambassador din tayo sa buhay natin, na nakakalungkot lang kasi minsan hindi natin nagagawa. Most of the time nagfe-fail tayo sa pagiging ambassador. Sabi nga, 'di ba, we are Christ-like. Ang nangyayari, dapat when you are Christ-like, dapat what is the character of Jesus Christ sees in us. See in us the way we talk, the way we move, the way we look. Because we are the ambassadors of being Christian. And kapag ka nafe-fail tayo being ambassador of Christian, hindi naman tayo minsan yung nasisira. Ang nasisira is someone who sent us, and that is Jesus Christ. So, let us be aware na kailangan, it's not easy to apply sa buhay natin, pero hanggat kaya natin as a Christian is ma-apply ito, being ambassador of Christ. Yun yung mas masarap pong isipin at mas masarap gawin, lalo na sa isang organization, sa isang being individuality. When you choose to be an ambassador, it is better to choose being ambassador of Christ. Yes, it's a proudly represent ng, kunyari, ng isang country or na isang organization, pero mas nakaka-proud na ang nire-represent mo is God, that you are the ambassador of God, you are the ambassador of Christ, na sa'yo palang ramdam na yung kabutihan, sa'yo palang ramdam na yung totoong pagmamahal, sa'yo palang ramdam na yung mabuting gawa. And let us choose to be ambassador of Christ always in our life, so that we not fail Christ